Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can turn on the battery saver on OPPO A60. To do this, first we need to go to the settings. In the settings, you need to scroll down and go to battery over here. Finally, here what we need to do is go to power saving mode, and then over here we can tap on this slider in order to enable the power saving mode. You can also automatically turn off power saving mode when the battery is charged to 90%. So if you want to, you can enable and disable this option. Additionally, we can also turn on the power saving mode when we reach certain percentage of our battery. So if the battery drops to 15% by default, then we will activate the power saving mode. We can also, of course, adjust the slider to even use it for since 75% or lower, up to 5%, or down to 50% actually. We also have the super power saving mode that allows you to completely reduce the performance of the system in order to save the battery, and you will be able to run only a few apps at the same time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.